Autoparts buyers, we are the Pocket Network Technology, a professional service and information company located in Rui'an, the city of Autoparts. More than 2,000 factories take place here. You can find this information about factories on our website and on our application. There's a smart, efficient and free communication bridge that connects Autoparts buyers and manufacturers. In this video, I will be answering two main questions that most of abroad buyers have asked.
Who are you and why do you stand out?
As I have mentioned before, we are the smart bridge that links all kinds of auto parts manufacturers with abroad buyers. We have helped our partners to digitalize their main information to be better viewed and better reached out by abroad buyers. It's way faster and easier. We use the advanced IT technology to improve our users' experience. We also use the big data to better analyze and show you all the relevant information you might need. We are on social network. You can find us on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. You can follow us to have the latest information to stay up to date in auto parts industry.
What's the cost to use your platform?
As it's a self-service, you can use our platform for free. You can find all manufacturers' information, all in number checking, products and manufacturers' catalog. You can visit the workshop through VR and view all the products in 3D pictures. Dear buyers, we really appreciate that you spend your precious time watching this video. If you have any questions or feedbacks, please write down in the comments or send us an email. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.